Good day guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the next video. Today's video will be a quick one, it will be a short one. I just want to highlight the heating and the cooling functions of the vehicle, of the air conditioning unit, as well as the seat heating and ventilation. So without further ado, let's jump straight in. When it comes to the seats, you have seat heating. Very easy. The first touch, you will start at the most intense setting, which will be number 3, number 2, number 1 off. 3, 2, 1 off. When you go to the seat ventilation, it will be the same. You will start at the most intense version or setting. Then when you touch the seat, the steering wheel heating, it will heat up the steering wheel very quickly. Within 2 minutes, your steering wheel will be quite warm. It's quite nice to have that in winter. Then guys, in the HVAC system, very simple. You can either switch it off on the button there, or you can switch it on or off down here by this button here. Let me just show you this button here. If you press that, you'll see here the fan will show immediately that it is activated. Same with the air conditioner. A red light indicates that it's active, as well as an orange light there. You can activate it here or there on the screen. It doesn't matter. This is an easy place to switch it on or off when the cameras are activated or you are within your Android Auto mode. It's easy to switch it on and off here. Also, you have a front demister and a rear demister here for easy access to that. You also have those functions on top here. Let me just, on top here, that's for your recirculation, on or off. And then you have a setting here about the intensity of the air coming out. You can adjust that as well. Then guys, when you select automatic, it will kick in the air conditioner at its full strength. It will turn it down as the car gets cooler. A deal, when you activate the deal mode, it will allow you to adjust whether you want both of these to function together or not. If you activate deal mode, you will adjust them separately. You see, this one is cool, that one is warm. So you'll be able to adjust them separately for the driver and the passenger. I usually just leave mine off. Guys, to change the direction of airflow, it's a simple tap where you want it. You want a defogger, you want below and on top, or top only. Guys, that's it for the heating and ventilation system of the Haval H6. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like this type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll really appreciate it. Stay safe and have a good one. Catch you in the next one.